Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Alright, so we're going to get on to the exercising here in a moment, but at the end, I got a bunch of stuff to go over with you guys, alright? So, stick around for that information at the end. I'm going to speed this up as fast as I can to make it easier on you guys. Alright, let's go for it. Well, this is my second stint. The first one I started at 6 o'clock this morning. I don't know, it just didn't record at all. I guess I didn't push the start button hard enough. And I thought it did. I thought I saw the red light come on, but there was nothing on the camera, so. All right. So I did 275 calories on the Gazelle. This morning I did 315. And I'll get some more sessions done this afternoon and this evening. I should be able to get over 1,000 calories on the Gazelle today. If you noticed yesterday I didn't do the sit-ups, so I'm noticing if I wait a day, if I skip a day or 2 days between sit-ups, I can do more. When I do sit-ups, it's breaking down the muscles a little bit and building them back up, and giving it a rest in between seems to give it a little more time to build up and give it more strength and endurance for the sit-ups, since I'm working them harder. Anyways, all right, so your prep for today. Store dry goods such as dried beans and rice, dried foods like that you can they'll store easier and last longer than when they are put in the cans and stuff. All right, so that's your prep for today on that. This afternoon or this evening at 8 o'clock Eastern time, 5 Pacific, be doing I got Bill Nash of Nash Nurseries coming on. We're talking fruit and nut trees, and I've had a bunch of questions submitted on that already to ask him. And so we're going to be going over a lot of interesting stuff for survivalists and homesteaders. I never used a term that hasn't been used in a long time, survivalist. Back when I was back in the 70s and 80s, it wasn't called preppers, it was called being a survivalist. So, alrighty folks, keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, learn a new skill, plant it into our garden. I know right now it seems like, oh, this winter's going to turn out nice and light and easy. But I remember the last time we had one like this. About the 1st of March, it suddenly got really nasty winter-wise. So I have a feeling this winter is still going to turn bad on us.